Hello guys, it's your favorite chef here. If this is your first time, my name is Chef Amos and you're highly welcome. In this video, I will be sharing an interesting recipe, especially for those that want to start baking or catering business. But don't forget to follow me on my other social media pages at Chef Amos. Thank you. So in today's video, we'll be making coconut glaze recipe. This is by far one of my favorite, and let's dive in. First of all, you're gonna add a cup of icing sugar and a tablespoon of powdered milk. Then you will add a pinch of salt to taste to balance the sweetness and mix everything up together. Just make sure you mix everything together very well, and then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Please, you should buy the store-bought because I don't trust the ones you put plenty of water and blend in the blender. Just get this, it's way better. So basically you're just gonna mix everything together. At first you will feel like, okay, the milk is not enough, to mix everything together. Just keep on mixing, it's enough. You wouldn't want a runny consistency, a base for your glazed donut. So I'm going to use this opportunity to also ask you guys to please follow me on Instagram at Chef Amos, and also subscribe and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you. So like as I was saying earlier, as you can see, the milk is enough. I didn't add more, I didn't add anything. That's why I didn't cut trim this video, because I want you guys to see every step that I took in making this glaze. So finally I'm gonna add the last ingredient, which is our coconut flavor. If you're using not the industrial flavor, a drop is enough, but if you're using the normal one that is not as strong as the industrial flavor, please use a tablespoon. So I'm just gonna mix everything together, and there we have it, your coconut glaze. Stay tuned as I'll be teaching you how to use this glaze to glaze your donuts, and also to add toppings on it. And don't forget, allow your donut to cool down a bit before glazing, and also add your toppings when immediately you apply your glaze. Don't wait for it to dry up, because the toppings will not stick onto your glaze. Apply your toppings immediately after glazing your donut. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Chef Amos, and I will see you guys in my next video. You can also comment down below which other video you want me to record for you guys. And also, before I forgot, you can use this glazing recipe for your coconut filled donut, even though I already have a coconut filled recipe. I haven't recorded that yet, but I have a standard recipe for that. Also, you can check my glazed donut. I have a glazed donut recipe on my videos. Just scroll down and you see it.